This video is to demonstrate the function of my Hydrohoist 7,500 pound floating boat lift with power canopy top. The canopy has 4 electric actuators mounted on each post, allowing it to rise approximately 3 feet to allow the boat to fit in between the canopy and the lift when it is in the down position. Now I will show you how to raise the canopy and lower the lift. This switch here raises the canopy up. It takes about 45 seconds for the canopy to completely raise. During this process, I can start the lowering of the lift. You lower the rear tanks first. This whole process takes approximately 4 minutes to lower and about 3 minutes to raise. The power canopy eliminates the need for a cover on the boat, which makes using the boat much more feasible, and we end up using the boat more frequently due to less work. The canopy's all the way up. Now we just have to wait for the rear of the lift to contact the water. Once the white flotation tank hits the water, then we're able to lower the front. This keeps the lift stable during lowering. Okay, the white tank has contacted the water, so now we can start lowering the front tanks. That's done by the valves at the front. The lowering process takes about 4 minutes, 15 seconds roughly. To raise the lift, which you follow the exact process only in reverse, it takes about 3 minutes, maybe a little over. There's 2 electric motors that blow air through the hoses, and that forces the water out of the tanks through a hole in the back, and that causes the lift to raise. And once you've raised the lift, you can just hit the button, lower the canopy down, and you're done for the day. The whole process of docking and lowering the canopy and raising the lift doesn't take much more than a few minutes. The lift's almost completely down now. At the rear it pretty much is. Now we're just waiting on the front. Now the front of the lift is completely down, and you can hop in the boat and go for a ride and As you can see, there's plenty of room for everything to clear. Even the bimini top clears by a good foot. You just have to have your passengers sitting down instead of standing up. So anyway, this shows how the Hydrohoist lift works. Again, you just reverse the process to bring the lift up. You pull the boat in, you raise the front first, then the rear, and then lower the canopy. It's that simple. So thanks for viewing and have a good day.